Hey everyone, welcome back! Today, I'm sharing my 30-day journey using castor oil on my skin. This stuff is the real deal, and it's completely transformed my skin. We're diving into all the amazing things castor oil can do for your skin, and I'll break down my entire experience day by day. Get ready because things are about to get oily, in a good way. Let's start with the most noticeable benefit: intense hydration. Before this experiment, my skin was dry and flaky, especially around my nose and chin. Within the first week, my skin felt completely quenched. That tight, uncomfortable feeling, gone. It was like my skin could finally breathe again. Now let's talk about acne. This oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. After 2 weeks, I noticed a visible reduction in redness and inflammation. My breakouts were healing faster, and I wasn't getting as many new pimples. We've tackled dryness and breakouts, but what about scars and blemishes? With consistent use, castor oil can work wonders on hyperpigmentation. By week 3, I noticed my acne scars, especially the darker ones, were starting to fade. It wasn't drastic, but it was definitely noticeable. I accidentally got a bit of sunburn on my shoulders. Wear your SPF, people. Castor oil instantly calmed the burning sensation, and my skin felt so much more comfortable. It was like a big drink of water for my parched skin. We all want that youthful glow, and castor oil might just be the key. After a month of using castor oil, my skin looks firmer and smoother. Remember that dry, flaky skin situation? Castor oil took care of that real quick. It creates a protective barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss. My skin stayed hydrated throughout the day. Castor oil has been used for centuries to promote wound healing. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help speed up the healing process. Using castor oil on minor cuts and scrapes helped them heal faster and with less scarring. Puffy eyes and dark circles? No thank you. Castor oil can help with that too. Applying a small amount around my eyes before bed made a world of difference. Let's talk about the overall texture and tone of my skin. Before using castor oil, my skin was dull and uneven. After a month, my skin looked brighter, smoother, and more even-toned. It was like my skin had finally woken up from a long slumber. Let's talk about makeup removal. Castor oil effectively removes even the most stubborn waterproof mascara and leaves my skin feeling soft and nourished. It's like a mini spa treatment for my face every night. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. See you next time.